Hi guys and welcome. I want to show you the best services in the top 5 construction scheduling software category. After all, construction projects must have a clear plan and detailed schedule. Construction scheduling software allows companies, teams, and users to outline essential timelines and milestones tracking progress. In this video, I will let you in a few secrets that few people know about, which makes these platforms the best in the top 5 construction scheduling software category. And so, let's begin.
What is Rike? Rike is an award-winning project management software trusted by 20,000 plus companies worldwide. Create a streamlined digital workplace using custom request forms, Kanban boards, Gantt charts, budget management, time tracking, real-time updates, and performance reports all in one place that can be shared company-wide. Integrate Rike with 400 plus applications to automate your everyday processes, customize workflows, and reduce the need for emails, meetings, status updates, and more. Best for perfect fit for mid-sized and enterprise companies that embrace teamwork and run multiple projects and clients. Tailor Rike to your needs with custom workflows, fields, and reports. Pricing details. Free. Rike's free basic plan is now available for unlimited users. Professional, $9.80 per user per month. Business, $24.80 per user per month billed annually. Enterprise, $45 per user per month. To receive accurate pricing, contact Rike directly. Pinnacle, $60 per user per month. To receive accurate pricing, contact Rike directly. Pros. So far, Rike has been fantastic. It's helping us transition to a more natural workflow and keeping everyone on top of projects. This has been a fantastic addition to our projects division toolkits and integral to the success of several projects we have run via Rike. It is helping to make our project progress as smooth and effective as possible. It's packed with functionality, a good call-up tool with our internal teams, task management is excellent. Cons. Then they deactivated our account with no warning, and when I asked, they said it's written on the invoice. I supposedly had access to a CSM, but they never called. I was introduced to Rike by a client who swore by it and still does, but I'm sad to say my experience with Rike ended there. In my experience, it was needlessly confusing and just not intuitive. Customer support is poor. Be very cautious about changes to the level of service of SLAs mid-contract with no recourse. You can say for sure that I didn't utilize the assistance because there are access logs and still keep up with the unapproved charges. What is Buildertrend? Buildertrend is the #1 cloud-based construction project management software for home builders, remodelers, and specialty contractors. Since 2006, we have empowered the construction industry with a better way to build. More than 1 million users across the globe have chosen Buildertrend as their platform for real-time collaboration. Our software helps construction professionals complete projects while reducing delays, eliminating communication errors, and increasing customer satisfaction. Best for Buildertrend is ideal for home builders, remodelers, specialty contractors, and general contractors. Pros. It helped that my first service rep was as good. She knew the product cold, she cared about helping me, was patient beyond reason, and was friendly with a great sense of humor. In this industry, nothing is consistent or predictable, so having an information base that is reliable, helpful, and organized, as mine, is incredibly helpful. We are still learning all that program can do, such an amazing program and company. It's been good so far, it's cheaper than Procore and is a better fit for our company. Cons. The worst part would be the cost-benefit factor, specifically as it pertains to our company. When we changed to the smaller projects, $5,000 to $20,000, the value decreased because we had to pay per project. I sent hundreds of messages, and the fact that there is no alert on Buildertrend itself to show new messages is sometimes frustrating. My only complaint is not so much with the software itself as with backend users. For this software to work to its full potential, it needs to be fully utilized. The dreadful lack of functionality for estimating. What used to take 5-6 hours to produce an estimate with all the separate costing items clients want now takes 2 days. What is Jobber? Keep your construction jobs on track and your customers informed. Schedule jobs more efficiently, optimize routes, and send quotes and invoices by text. Give your crew the needed job details, see where they are, and get notified when a job is done. Send automatic payment reminders and take payments instantly in person, online, or automatically. With a mobile app, free training, and a simple setup, Jobber helps you save time while delivering 5-star service. Best 4. Jobber is perfect for established and growing home service businesses that need better organization, mobile access, and more efficient scheduling and billing processes. Pricing details. Jobber offers 3 plans with different available features and numbers of users per plan. Jobber Core starts at just $35 a month, annual plan. Jobber Connect begins at $105 a month, yearly plan. Jobber Grow starts at $211 a month. Pros. It's a great product and does what they say it does. It's a great tool for helping you run your business. We really enjoy the invoicing and quoting software. It was just what we needed. I love how easy it is to use for us. Easy to explain and show someone how to use it when that person isn't tech savvy. Overall, wonderful software, and I highly recommend it for anyone who needs a simple and easy work messenger. Cons. The problem is there is no pricing function and the description area for estimating your job. We installed this in the month of April, coming off as a disaster with another company. I wasn't about to change without a tryout. I was burnt badly with the program we were trying to use. Somehow, their least cost as advertised came at $100 a month. After trying the service and being disappointed, they said, too bad. What is Salesforce Sales Cloud? From initial bidding to project management, Sales Cloud 360 empowers construction businesses to easily manage relationships with prospects, clients, suppliers, and partners. Win more bids and minimize change requests with a customizable CRM platform that allows you to reduce busy work, optimize project schedules and budgets, and make decisions based on real-time data. Best 4. With Salesforce's multi-tenant cloud computing model, we can serve the needs of companies of all sizes in an industry. Our customers benefit from a shared main framework while maintaining privacy. Pros. Tracking contacts, emails, and opportunities can be done in a few clicks with this wonderful addition. Then it has saved me so much time. It is straightforward to track the status of a lead via the pipeline. The reporting is amazing and incredibly comprehensive. Very happy overall. I'm glad I have the opportunity to use another CRM system in my career. It provides tools to connect better with the customer, which leads to great relationships and creates loyalty. Cons. There are countless strides to having a total record, so this is not a languid program. If you will utilize it, focus on utilizing it in any case. Nonsense in, nonsense out. I lost money trying to use this application. I mistakenly attempted to deal with their customer service, which was horrendous. It sometimes takes so much time just to search one case, making it frustrating for users. It also sometimes lags and throws an error when looking into tasks. They are worse than any company I had ever seen at harassing our team for payment even when we never use their service. What is Procore? Procore Construction Workforce Management enables users to schedule the right people for the right jobs. Get real-time insight into your workforce's availability and skill set with a centralized scheduling and communication hub for specialty and general contractors. Managing your labor schedule with whiteboards and spreadsheets is inefficient and risky. See why Procore's construction workforce planning software is better. Best 4. Procore connects all members of your construction project teams, including owners, general contractors, and subcontractors, from field to office. Pros. I love having an up-to-date status of all my project elements and knowing what I'm responsible for. Good initial onboarding and training from the company. This was very helpful, so IT did not have to train. Overall, many of my clients use Procore. It is a great way to keep up to date on the progress of a specific project. The thing I like most about this software is that it keeps all documents organized and accessible by both contracted parties at all times, so there isn't any confusion. Cons. Procore can be very difficult for people that are not tech savvy. I have 4 men in the field that struggle using it due to being unfamiliar with technology. Everyone I know who has used the Procore bidding tool thinks it is horrible. Subcontractors hate it and GCs do too. Not able to manually sync projects ourselves in real time. Given the cost of the software, I'm shocked there's no solution. The issues cause lost time, loss of production, and money.